Okay, we bought this food, and I'm going to show you what we bought, and then I'm going to tell you how many meals we got out of it. Okay, we got the Tyson chicken patties. There's 20 in it. So we'll be getting 5 meals out of these. And we got these 3 bags out of that. Okay, we got this breaded chicken fillets. And we got 2 meals out of that bag. Okay, we got broccoli, 1 pound of broccoli. Each bag has 2 cups in it, 2, 4, 6. We got 3 bags of broccoli. Okay, now we got cauliflower, 1 pound bag. We portioned out for 2 meals. That's 2 cups apiece. Okay. Then we got Brussels sprouts. We put each bag is 6 apiece for me and Ronnie. And we got 3 bags of Brussels sprouts. Okay, then we bought a bag of okra. And each one is 9 for each person, me and Ronnie. So it's 18 in each bag. And we got 3 meals out of that. So all together, we got 1, 2, 3 meals for okra. 2 meals for cauliflower. 3 meals for Brussels sprouts. 3 meals of broccoli. 3 meals for the chicken fritters, or whatever you want to call them. And we'll get 5 meals out of the chicken patties. And the broccoli, 3 meals. So, look at all this food we'll be getting. About 25 meals for 40 bucks. Okay, here's my proof. $40.97. We bought 11 items, and we going to get at least 25 meals out of them. And this is going to last us at least 2 to 3 weeks. And we got a can of sauerkraut and a thing of neck bones that we didn't show because they're in the freezer. But, yeah, you can still afford groceries. You just have to watch what you buy. Buy only what's on sale. Separate by the portion size. And you'll make it. You might not eat real good, but you'll feed that belly. I hope you like this video. And I hope you at least try this out. Because everybody deserves to eat. If you want more of these videos, let me know down in the comment below. And how I portioned them out, I got on the back of them and read what the portion size was. And that's how I divided my meals out for 2 people. Thanks for watching. Push the like button, subscribe button if you ain't already. Share with your friends and family. And thanks for watching. Bye.